2025 Honda City Apex Edition introduces several safety innovations and features designed to enhance driver and passenger protection. Advanced Driver Assistance Systems (ADAS). This suite includes features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, all aimed at reducing the risk of accidents by assisting the driver in maintaining safe driving practices. 6 airbags. The Apex Edition comes equipped with 6 airbags, providing comprehensive protection for all occupants in the event of a collision. Lane Watch Camera. This feature enhances visibility on the passenger side by displaying a live feed on the infotainment screen when the turn signal is activated, helping to reduce blind spots. Hill Start Assist. This system prevents the vehicle from rolling backward when starting on an incline, ensuring a smooth and safe launch. Multi-angle rear camera assists drivers in parking and maneuvering by providing multiple views of the area behind the vehicle. Auto High Beam automatically adjusts the headlight intensity based on oncoming traffic, enhancing nighttime driving safety. These features collectively contribute to a safer driving experience, aligning with Honda's commitment to vehicle safety and innovation. For a visual overview of the 2025 Honda City's engine options, safety features, and smart technology, you might find the following video informative. Video 2025 Honda City Engine Options, Safety Features, and Smart Technology.